got to Aba, the Enyimba City. So this is actually emotional for me. It's been 20 years. I was last year in 2004 when I was little. So it's actually the whole place has changed. I used to take this road like to go to the depot. I think I still remember. So we are waiting for our tour guide, the guy that will take us around the city of Aba, for us to see the changes. We've been hearing a lot about the changes that has been taking place since the new administration came on board. So guys, sit back and relax and let's take you around Aba City in 2024. Ben, thank you for doing this. As you guys know, Mr. Ben has been part of the team. He's been teaming with Ebo in most of the videos that has concerns about Abia State. So Mr. Ben will be my tour guide for Enyimba City. We are presently in the gateway into the city, right?
We are the gateway into Aba.
Okay. So Mr. Ben has been to Ariara Market, Leather Market before with Ebo.
Yes.
So, but today we will choose and explore other locations in Abia City in 2024. Yeah. So guys, keep watching, keep subscribing to EbohMedia. Let's go. Pay attention to the inner roads. All the inner roads, like the street, like one. See, this one is tarred. All of them are tarred. Like the infrastructural development in Abia State is amazing. These are the things people ask for. Nigerians are not asking for too much, really. Make the living condition. See the second one tarred. All the inner roads. It's something that captivated me. It's something that got my attention. That's why I brought out the camera to make sure that I show you guys. Almost all the inner roads, all of them are tarred. It's something great, something significant. These are the developments that I came to show you guys in Abia State, Aba in particular. So don't mind the driving. It's crazy. I headed to the newly reconstructed fabric market. Before the heavy rain started, it was a heavy downpour which affected most of our shoot. So we couldn't do much. We just had to show you guys the market, the area. If you know any place around, if your street appears on this video, give us a like, give us a thumbs up. This is the appreciation we want from our fans. So yeah, keep liking, keep sharing. And what do I have here? Comment section, leave
I comment that you actually noticed your area in the
Okay.
video.
Bravo,
You noticed
material.
your street or you noticed the market you want straight in.